right, Wealthy Besties, here's part 2 of how to make the party bucket. So you're going to need a tape measure in order to know the size of each image. So you're going to get your tape measure and you're going to measure your buckets, your lighter, your foam cups, your plastic cups, and your shot glasses, or whatever you decide that you're going to put in your bucket. You want to make sure you measure everything. I do recommend that you actually write down the sizes on a piece of paper, so that way if you get orders, you don't have to remeasure everything. You already know what the sizes are, and it'll just help for future dates. Anyway, so this is just me showing you me measuring everything. After we finish measuring, we're going to go into Canva and we're going to download the image that we designed in part 1. You're going to press that download arrow, press transparent background, turn the pixels up to about 2, and then download it as a PNG. Now, I'm showing you how to upload it into Cricut Design Space. You're going to do it as a flat graphic. It's print and cut. You don't have to worry about removing the background because we did that when we downloaded it in Canva. If you have Silhouette, you can use a Silhouette. Whatever cutting machine you have, you can use that. Me personally, my Cricut machine was acting up again, so I actually uploaded mine into Silhouette Studio and printed it out from there, because I'm going to use scissors to cut mine. So if you don't have a cutting machine, have no fear, you still can use scissors. And that was me just showing you how you can upload the design, and you're going to put the sizes in for each one. So the lighter, the foam cups, and you just duplicate it. When you duplicate it for however many you're going to do for each. So if you're doing 12 cups, you're going to duplicate it 12 times. So here I am now just showing you're going to use self-adhesive sheets, and you're going to need your sticker paper. Now, depending on which bucket you use, if you're using a clear bucket, we're going to use the clear sticker paper, which I'm using a clear sticker paper because I'm doing a clear bucket. But if you are not using you can still use the color bucket, but still use the clear sticker paper for the color bucket, but I would recommend using white sticker paper for that. So before you print, you want to go into your printer settings and change to preferences and change the paper to photo glossy paper. It prints better, has better quality, and it helps it to not smear. So after you do that, you want to print your design, which here is what I did. I'm printing my design. I let mine sit for about 5 or 10 minutes just so to make sure it's dry, and then I use these self-adhesive sheets to put on top of the design. Putting the self-adhesive sheets on top of the design makes it a sticker. Makes it waterproof. And by the way, if you're wondering how to make stickers, this is the same way you make stickers. You just print your design on sticker paper. You're going to put your self-adhesive laminating sheet on top and let your machine cut around, or cut it with scissors, however you desire. But this is how you make stickers. It's the same thing. So I'm just using my squeegee to put the self-adhesive laminating sheet on top, and that's it. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask your questions in the comment section. My name is April. I'm your craft tutor, and I thank you for watching. Make sure you like and follow.